Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly, and this is another Temu haul. I got these containers from Temu, and what I'm doing in this video here is basically organizing my art supplies in these containers here. They have been such a big help so far. Supplies that I put in these containers are easily reached. So if you need like these containers here, you can always go on Temu. It was at a cheap price when I got them. I'm not sure of the price now, but you can go ahead and check them out if you want. But yes, this is another part of my organization video. I'm getting my area together, and please stay tuned for the final result. As you can see, the supplies that I have, I store them in a shoebox. So the blue shoebox that you see at the side there, that is where I'm getting the art supplies from. So I'm glad to be throwing out that shoebox into my new containers. I was also thinking of spray painting the containers white, but that's for another day, that's for another time. And I'm sure if I spray paint these containers, it might eventually scrape off because it's a bit glossy. So I'm not sure, but I really want to try. I can always try one and then see if I like it, or how easy or how hard it's going to be, then I decide. But for right now, I'm just glad to be taking out everything out of the shoebox into my new containers. Easily reached, well organized. I also found things that I lost in the box, so I'm glad now that it's now organized and I know where everything is. It's just a good feeling. I have so many tools. I have scissors, I have tape measure, I have staples, screwdriver, lights, stencil knife, the blades for the stencil knife, you name it, I probably have it. And I have many more storage containers left even after this video, so I will not be needing any more storage containers for now. So I'm good. And if you have been watching this video so far and you like the video and you want to see what is coming up next or what I have planned, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting down below what you want to see, and I will make that video for you. So thank you in advance. Take a minute right now to just subscribe, like, and comment, and I really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Arts Workfly. Bye guys.
Heart up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are Art Workfly.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.